Today's transformational trends present an opportunity for IT leadership based on the changing nature of work. By defining the major elements of work, we've set the foundation for our architectural strategy. How we work is really defined by two sets of processes: transactional processes, those by which we develop, produce, and deliver our products and services, and the information that guides them, and communication processes, the ways we connect and align human resources, meetings, phone calls, training classes, etc. Since the mid-90s, companies have been using internet technologies to accomplish this work with a set of resources that expands beyond an individual enterprise and into an ecosystem. The convergence of data and communication networks has increasingly created the opportunity for people to move seamlessly between information resources and communications with human resources in a natural workflow. Accelerating globalization, the mobility of workers, and availability of services from cloud-like enterprises are all trends that are making managing traffic across the ecosystem critical to our architecture. Optimizing a seamless workflow across a broad and varied ecosystem that allows individuals to communicate and process information in a natural workflow will open the possibilities for new business models that accelerate growth and innovation. The workforce is already changing. Historically, IT organizations, Cisco included, have defined the workforce as either a traditional on-site worker or a mobile worker. However, in a recent study where we asked our employees to self-define, we found that people define themselves along two key vectors: mobility and collaboration. Mobility being, how mobile does the worker need to be every day? Work within a building, a campus, a region, a country, or globally? And how collaborative is the work that they do? Siloed work, teamwork, cross-functional work, or work across geographies? At Cisco, we're redefining the very notion of mobility. We understand that it's not about devices, technologies, and services. It is about people being able to move freely throughout the world while maintaining their continuous connectivity to others. The workforce is transforming technology, and the technology is transforming the workforce. With that in mind, there are three major technical trends taken together that Cisco IT will use to create an architecture to support the changing nature of work and the strategic goals of our company. First, the network as a platform for our core content and processes. Secondly, a strategic implementation of a services-oriented architecture at the application layer. And finally, a scalable implementation of collaboration technologies. These are the technologies that will create accelerated productivity through growth and innovation, because they allow each individual to interact with people and information in the natural workflow for their particular location, function, or role, their overall work context of collaboration and mobility.